Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on ApeCoin. As previously we have been watching that ApeCoin broke out the resistance of this bullish pennant and we had a nice pump up to $27.6, and then price line again rejected by this resistance, by the way, that we have at $24.20. And after this rejection, the price line is moved down and it was breaking down. When I shared my last video with you, at that time it was breaking down this support of the pennant, and I told you that if we will have a 4-hourly closing below this support level of $19.50, then there will be a very high probability that we may move to the next support here at $17.50. But the price line is recovered back and in today's video we will take a look whether this move to the upside will be continued or not. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this 4-hourly time frame chart. And here we can see that step by step, ApeCoin is breaking out every resistance. Like here, it broke out the resistance of $16. That was indeed very strong resistance, because previously it had been breaking as a resistance here back on 18th of March, and we went very close to this resistance here but could not touch it here. Then again we had a rejection from this resistance and also from the next resistance of $17.5, and once we broke it out, then we were using this level as a support here and here as well. And then we broke out the next resistance of $17.50, and then we also broke out the next resistance of $19.50. And after breaking it out, we also broke out this bullish pennant as well. But that was a fake out, because we are not able to hit the target for this bullish pennant so far. The target for this bullish pennant is here. That is approximately $32 or $31.60. And we can see that after this fake pump, we were basically rejected by this resistance of $24.20, and we moved down back to this support. But on the very next candlestick, we were recovered back there, but again we are rejected by this resistance. We moved down again and again moved up, and after these several rejections, this resistance is slightly moved up. Now we have this resistance at $24.60, because we have several touch points here. And now you can see again price line is moving at the support of this bullish pennant. Therefore there is a probability that this time, after this rejection, the price line may not touch this support of this $19.50 and will not test its support. Because if at the same time, if we switch to the hourly time frame chart, then here we can see we have a potential head and shoulder formation, and this is the right shoulder. Here we have head, and this is the left shoulder. Sorry, this is the left shoulder, this is head, and here we have the right shoulder of the head and shoulder pattern. And if we take a look at the target for this head and shoulder pattern, because we have the neckline here, and if I place this trend line from this head up to this resistance of the neckline, then this target can be bigger than the pennant, and it is almost at $32.60. And the target for the pennant is almost at $32. And right now we are forming the right shoulder. You can see that it is nicely moving down and moving in a round position to move up from here. So far there is one more signal flashed on this hourly time frame chart, and that is a hidden bullish divergence. If I place the stochastic on this 1 hourly time frame chart, then here we can see that price line is forming a higher low than previous low. And if we take a look at this stochastic here, then stochastic is forming lower than previous low. If I place the trend line here, that it will be more clear for you to watch it. You can see that it is forming lower than previous low. The value here, you can watch the value by the way here, The value of stochastic here is 10.97, and here we have the value of 6.93. So it is forming lower than previous low, and if we take a look at the price line, there is a very obvious higher low than previous low. So there is a hidden bullish divergence also flashed that is also favoring this reversal move from here, and there is a probability that we may also break out the resistance of this head and shoulder pattern. However, the neckline we have here at approximately $21.80, and that is also a newly support produced here. If I place another trend line here at $20.80, then we can see that we have few more touch points here. Let me to place it on the hourly time frame chart so it will be more visible for you. You can see that we have touched here, we have one more touch here, then again we for a while we move down below than this level, and again we are touching this support and testing this support. So this is the neckline, this is the shoulder, and also a newly formed support here. And I'm not expecting that the price line may break down this support, because at the same time we are also having the support of this pennant as well. But if it will be broken down, then we can move down to the next support here at $19.50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.